welcome to News at 10. I'm your host Rika Roy, and we start with the story on Maharashtra. It's the final countdown for Mahakursi of Maharashtra. Meeting of Mahayuti partners will happen at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence in moments from now as hectic parleys continue in national capital. Suspense over who is going to be the chief minister continues.
लोकसभा के बाद जहां जहां इलेक्शन हुई कांग्रेस ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में, ये सत्य है। जम्मू कश्मीर, हरियाणा और महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शन में कांग्रेस के लोग ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में थे। शिवसेना को गिनने को तैयार नहीं थे, राष्ट्रवादी को गिनने को तैयार नहीं थे। ये तो स्थिति है। उद्धव जी ठाकरे साहब का नाम सीएम के लिए पहले डिक्लेयर होता तो रिजल्ट में बहुत सारा परिवर्तन होता था, ऐसा मुझे तो लगता है।
After Tamil Nadu and BJP, Jagan Mohan Reddy rejects US charges on Adani. Let's go back to the previous story. In fact, my colleague Aishwarya will get us more on the meeting in the national capital of the key stakeholders of Mahayuti. Aishwarya, we do understand that a key meeting is slated to happen in the capital today at Amit Shah's residence. Do tell us who all will be present. We do see pictures of Eknath Shinde coming in, and take us through all that is happening there.
Well, we are coming live to you from right outside Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, where the meetings have started to decide who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Eknath Shinde had already arrived over here at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. Few minutes back, it was BJP President JP Nadda who arrived as well. There was first Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda's meeting that almost lasted for 20 minutes, after which it was Eknath Shinde who arrived. And before meeting Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, it is Eknath Shinde who is meeting the top BJP brass separately. What we have been also given to understand is that Devendra Fadnavis is at Sunil Tatkare's residence, and they will be arriving shortly as well. Eknath Shinde arrived in the national capital alongside with the MLAs of Shinde Sena faction, that is Uday Savant and also Shambhaji Rao. Both the leaders will also be getting inside Home Minister Amit Shah alongside Eknath Shinde, and it would be decided that what would happen next. Of course, it is to be decided about Maharashtra government formation. The top BJP sources have already revealed to us that it would be BJP's chief minister next in the state of Maharashtra, and the formula remains one chief minister from the BJP and deputy chief ministers from both the alliance partners of the Mahayuti alliance, that is the NCP Ajit Pawar and the Eknath Sena faction. Now, what portfolios would be allotted to each of these three political parties? All sources also indicated that the maximum berths will be given to the Bharatiya Janata Party, because they were the big brother of the Mahayuti alliance, and certainly on the other side, it would be whether it would remains to be seen that whether there should be there are some surprises that could be seen as we have seen in the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh state elections as well. The chief ministers were a surprise for a lot of people, and whether this will happen in the state of Maharashtra as well is something that remains to be seen. But just in few hours we'll get to know what decision has been taken by the top BJP brass, who is sitting alongside with the state leaders of the Mahayuti alliance, and most likely it will be tomorrow. These leaders will be flying back to Bombay, and they will be making a formal announcement.